straight rainforest right now. 110 meters, all other waterfalls. All right, we're going this way. I hear the waterfall. Look at that. And listen to that. Another waterfall. This is crazy. Wow. This is nuts.
What?
Another one. Like view.
Really?
No, you're soaking. We're soaking wet, I guess, eh? Beautiful though. I don't know if this video is going to do it justice but anyone looking to see something that you don't see every day, Costa Rica, I'm telling you. That was crazy.